Alright guys, we're going to take a look at this Brother GX-6750 Correctronic electronic typewriter. I'm going to show you all it working. It does come with this cover right here that covers the keyboard up. I'm going to set that off to the side, and I've already got it plugged in. I'll hit the power switch. Powers up. Alright, and we'll load the paper. Alright, paper's loaded, and it's also going to come with it's going to come with the typewriter, and I've got two official Brother ribbons here. They're brand new, sealed, and then there is one more correction tape available too. So it does come with all that stuff. Let me zoom in on the actual paper if I can. There we go. Hopefully y'all get a good view of that. Typewriter test for eBay. And you can see that looks nice and dark there. So I'll get a little closer. That's as close as I get. Alright, and then I'm going to pull this back and get a little closer even to the page. There we go. Now y'all can, I want y'all to see it correcting. Okay, yep, that should work fine. Then if I just hit this correct button, there's a correct button on the keyboard right here. So I'm just going to be hitting that button, and y'all can watch it correct. Okay, works great. No issues with the typewriter. Fully tested, and it does come with the extra ribbons and all that stuff. Let's see, I guess I could spin it around. You could see the rest of it. I mean, it's got some normal signs of wear. The cord tucks into this little cavity right here when you're not using the typewriter. It has some minor signs of wear, but overall, good condition, and it works fine. So, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.